Coming to you live, Mud Dog Customs. Man, oh man. We're trying to wire this thing up. And this is, take in mind, I wire a lot of LS's up. This is Intelltronix Dash. Lord have mercy. Temperature guide. They give you an illustration on how to put it together, but they don't tell you what wire it goes to. Just like this one, oil pressure, orange wire goes to S terminal, black wire goes to ground. Temp, nothing. Use the wiring harness we give you, but they don't tell you where to hook it up. I had 2 wires left, so I chose one. Grounded it right here. Hooked the harness up. Run this wire to the one of the wires that I thought. Let's see how I can do this. Anyway, then I took my lighter and heated it up and made my temperature move. So I had to do a dumb behind way on figuring out what wire that was. And they should have had it listed, man. Come on now. Come on. These kits is $500, which they are cheaper than most in Dakota Digital and stuff. But they could need a better instruction manual. Woo, Lord. Yep. I still ain't never found the brown wire with the yellow stripe on it. Tracer. Lord help us. PSI wiring harness for the LS swap. Yeah, we're going to get this LS swap done. Oh yeah. Getting her done, getting her done. Wrap all this up. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. Later.